Okay, today I'm going to show you how the bolt locations off to remove a leaky valve cover or to take the valve cover off for whatever reason. This engine's out of the car. I have other videos on other parts I took off of it. This is a 2011 Hyundai Sonata Turbo 2.0. To get to this point, you have to remove the coils, ignition coils, the wiring harnesses, anything that's in the way, that's obstructing removing the valve cover. Okay, there's 20 bolts all the way around. There's 20 bolts first, and then the high pressure fuel pump, and they're all 10 millimeter. You remove the fuel pump, right? And the plunger's inside over here. It's in here. See the plunger? Just be careful you don't lose that. And then you have another 2 in here. So it's basically 20 bolts all together that removes the valve cover. After you take your coils off and whatever is in the way, some hoses and things like that. But it's not that bad. All right, and then it just comes right off. Okay, that's just a quick video to show you. I'll show you all locations. It's easier to show you out of the car instead of you like just feeling in the back. You see all the bolt locations there, and there's some in here too. Okay, that's Motorcar Nut 2020. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Thank you.